Hello, good morning student. In last video, I discussed about the different type of the construct. For example, if statement, if else statement, and if else if statement. So we have to discuss the different type of the construct, and these construct are the two types. One type I have already explained in my last video, and one construct is the multiple branching statement we use inside the programming. What is the multiple branching statement? Multiple branching statement, it is the another type of the conditional flow of control which can control the multiple conditions by using the switch statement. How we can control the multiple branching statements programs? It is another type of conditional flow of control in which one out of multiple blocks of statement in a executed. Generally we use the, I have already told, generally we use the switch case statement to handle the multiple branching flow of control. Now what is the switch statement? In switch case statement, a number of the blocks are created under the different cases. There will be the different type of the cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, and we will create the cases by using the single type of the variables. In the last I will explain the example also, so then you can understand well. And these all the cases will be used inside the curly braces, enclosed within curly braces under the switch statement. Example, switch A, we are defining here variable for A. Suppose the value of the A, so then it will follow the case number 1. System.out.print good means it will print the good if the case 1, and then it will be the break, then program will be break after one case. If the value of the case 2 means the value of the A is 2, it means then it will follow the case 2. The system dot out dot print ln then better in double quotes, and then break. We have already defined case 1 and case 2. Case 1 and case 2 means the value of the A1 and the value of the A is 2. You can use the different type of the cases. You can give the condition. And now here we are using break default statement. After the break statement, we are using the default. Default means if you will give any value of the variable A instead of the 1 and 2, because we have defined here 1 and 2 cases. Suppose you will give the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. So then by default any number when you will give, any cases you will give, so then it will print the message system.out with the help of the system.out.println invalid key, and then brace will be closed. So we can use the switch statement like this. I will draw the syntax also and flow chart also of the multiple branching statement. Okay. Yes, now student, we will discuss about the syntax of the multiple branching statement. According to the question I have already explained, one example, you are seeing the switch statement. It will be used before the curly brace. Switch and any variable you can take here, any variables. Suppose we are using here n, that is the control variable. Then open brace, then case 1, then statement, then break, then case 2, then statement, then break, and then by default statement. And then curly brace close. All the cases will be used within the curly brace. What are the terms we are using for the switch statement? One is variable, second is case, and third is default. These three types of the terms related to the switch statement we are using. Control the variables. It controls all the cases. Case 1, case 2, case 3 like this. And the break statement. Every break statement means to stop the program, a statement, or break the statement. The function of the break statement. And by default, if case is not defined, so then default case will function. Suppose you have defined only the case 1 and case 2 and you are giving the case 3 and case 4. So then by default case function will work. One more thing. Fall through statement. What is the fall through statement? You are seeing in the switch statement we are using the after the each case the break statement. But in the fall through statement we cannot use the break statement after the each statement. It will be used at the end of the all the cases. And only one variable will be controlled and then all the statement will execute one by one. They will not be break. You can understand by the definition. Fall through statement. In this case, break statement is not used at the end of a case. You understand? Now, syntax. How we can use inside the programming? Switch and variable same. Then open brace same. Then case 1 same, and this statement, and then case 2, and then case 3. These are the missing break because there is not giving the break statement. Case 1, then statement, case 2, then statement, case 3, then statement, then in the last we are using. That is called the fall through statement. I think all the students are understand well all type of the construct for making the program. So we will start our programming with the help of the construct type of the conditions, if then, if else, and switch statements. Okay, understand all of you?